Already, we have some updates for the autonomous manufacturing unit. This is technically version zero point 0.1. Prior to this, we are doing back of the envelope calculations. So, first in the many thousands of steps, maybe tens of thousands, maybe more. And today we've gone from zero to zero point 0.1. And I'm really happy to see this progress. We did a review earlier on, and I was just going to play the excerpt. This is a recorded video through the snapshot from SolidWorks. And as it is playing, I'm going to pause it. And so basically, you've got the onboard power structures, powered through solar primarily. And the two drums you see is where the most of the activity is going to happen. AMU, I forgot to highlight, stands for Autonomous Manufacturing Unit. So the things we are looking to launch in particular real estates around the solar system, these things will be in orbit around a planetary body or real estate of our choosing, collectively. And it's a simple input-output mechanism. Stuff goes in the AMUs and processes kick in for an output to be had. So yeah, this has got two modules at least. Just this version one, we're gonna build the gateways or structures for content to be for the basic input-output processes. There's going to be a door right here whereby the rail system can be leveraged in order to be able to move material from one processing unit over to another. So we haven't really defined what's going to do what, but I'm just going to play the thing right now. It's pretty awesome. So we have a robotic arm. This is all proprietary. We reviewed some of the planetary resources patent, but we haven't started incorporating the details from the patent in the public domain, like the IP. It says IPPSM, then, but in one of the screenshots says IIPSM. So I think it's IPPSM. But yeah, we haven't started incorporating those kind of details. So yeah, the robotic arm moves. And this is a kind of highlight to scale. We're just gonna bring it back here. So in terms of the, like, we haven't started thinking of, we didn't build this right now to demo this, but we want to have some kind of a facility whereby the AMUs, we call them, can dock themselves or get docked into a structure, because they're going to be operating in a harsh environment. And considering that the axes around the kind of real estate we're looking at in terms of rotation can vary hundreds of days, if not more, then these things will need shielding from radiation. So this is not to show that, but we want a structure whereby the things can dock themselves. And that's it. That's AMU Autonomous Manufacturing Unit version 0.1. All right. We don't have any patents. We haven't even registered the company as of yet. But this is our step one of many. And we're going to change the planet. I mean, we're going to change the solar system for the betterment of all life. And we're going to change the planet too for the better by offloading a lot of the stressors on our planet to other habitats, provided there is no life on other planets. If there's no life, I'm talking about just simple life, bacteria, other life form, as simple as it may be, then we should leverage these real estate in the real by cluster. Anyways, this is a short video. This is Ruset's work. Phenomenal start. Can't wait to see further updates based on today's discussion. Hoo yeah!